现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here's music by Liu Sirong called Enge Oiqing, which means our love. Now, she uses an interesting metaphor right here, using pear tree grafting techniques to describe love. How when two people fall in love, it can be painful, takes a lot of time and care to make a relationship between two people to bloom, and how two separate people can come together and create a new life. Let's take a listen to the song.
Enge Oiqing像家家的两头的树，两人结上后，染上后，两人结树皮，连树皮，恩给爱情。残啊，给的树，共同开发，共同结子，共商共喜一生年。给爱情，ให้长春流逝给的风。给的树，共同开发，共同结子，共商共命一生年。
哇哦，这首《给我爱情》，我们的爱情好诗情画意哦。他用高阶梨来比喻爱情，就像高阶梨在嫁接的时候，伤口要粘着伤口，树皮粘着树皮，在伤口的共同处要来生长、发芽、开花、结果，真的是两个人在一起要经过这样的磨合哦，真是好棒的比喻哦。我们在这边愿天下有情人都能终成眷属喽。Another great Hakka song on ICRT. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.